Hey Clara's Kitchen lovers, I welcome you back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to make the creamiest chicken and veggies club sandwich. Please stay tuned. These are the ingredients I used. Firstly, I washed the chicken laps thoroughly with clean water and salt. Set my fire and parboil it. I spice it with salt, onions and pepper. Then cover it to cook for some minutes. While the chicken is cooking, I went ahead and peeled the carrot back and grate it with a grater. I sliced the cabbage into tiny pieces. Same thing with the green beans, I chopped it into tiny pieces. I sliced the tomatoes into tiny pieces. I advise while slicing this, please make it uniform. Now the chicken is well cooked. I removed the back and I shredded it into tiny pieces. I went ahead and fried it because I needed it dry. It's time to mix the veggies. Firstly, I go in with my carrot, then cabbage, followed by the green beans, fried shredded chicken. I added the mayonnaise and mixed. If today is your first time here, you are highly welcome to Clara's Kitchen. Here we give out easy step-by-step superb food recipe for healthy living. Please join the family by clicking on the subscription button and on the notification bell to see new videos whenever it drops. Thank you so much as you do so. And lastly, I added the chopped spring onions. It's time to layer the sandwich, guys. On a clean bowl, put one slice of bread and carefully place 4 slices of tomatoes, followed by your lettuce, and scoop a generous amount of that mixed veggies, because a sandwich without veggies is boring, and serve. Then place a slice of bread on top of it. If you want up to 5-6 decades, you continue the process. This tutorial, I made 4 deca club sandwich. After placing the last slice of bread, I used a clean foil and wrapped it tightly as if I'm wrapping a gift. With a bread knife, I cut it open in the center, and guys, this is juicy, yummy and very delicious. Thank you for watching this far. Hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share, comment. See you on my next video. Bye.